Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create smooth velocity effect on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application, and then I'm going to create new project on CapCut. So I'm going to click on new project, and then I'm going to add a video from the CapCut library because I don't have any footage to be edited. I'm going to go to the CapCut library and I'm going to search for dance video. Wait, I'm going to choose, for example, this one, guys. I'm going to create the smooth velocity editing with this video. I'm going to add the video to my project and wait. Okay, now the video has been added to my project and I'm going to add audio to this project. We can click on add audio and then select sounds, and I'm going to add music from the CapCut. I'm going to download music from the CapCut. For example, I'm going to select the beat category. Okay. Make sure you have internet connection if you want to add add music or sound from the CapCut. And wait guys, for the beat I'm going to select this one, for instance. Okay, I'm going to add this audio to my project, and we're going to create auto velocity editing with the velocity effect. We can click on our video and then we can go to the effect and select the style. Okay, and we're going to choose velocity and select the flash velocity. Okay, if you are a pro user, you can select the blur shake, face blur, or the rainbow velocity, but here I'm just going to select the flash because I'm just a free user. Okay, and we need to wait until 100%, and then the smooth velocity editing will be created automatically. Okay guys, wait. Okay, and now the velocity effect has been applied to my video, and I'm going to show you the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create velocity editing on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.